And this is my cell. 2 plates. Nylon bolt, of course. Drop a glue on it to hold it to the side of the jar. Keep it stand upright. Can't really tell, but there's still bubbles on it from where I started it last night. You see a blue and red clip at the top, which holds the wires on. You can buy those at AutoZone. The white lids, I don't use no more, because white lids do not seal airtight. I want them to seal airtight, so I use the original canning lid. No bolts, of course. 1 hole, pulled the 2 wires through and gooped it. And then put the T-connector, so therefore it keeps it airtight. Pieces on the bolts that you see down there are these right here. Red and blue. They slide right between the bolt and the plates. And on the other end, that would normally go to your car. I got these on here. Those are flat, by the way. Alligator clamps are holding it on. Well, alligator clamps are holding it on for right now, though, so when the person I give this to put the wires through the alligator clamps and they can unclamp it to the battery. So, now let's turn it on, I guess. I'll put a piece of tape on this alligator clamp so I don't accidentally touch. That way I can get a better look at it. Show you better. Can't show you all that good with loose wire like that. Okay, now as you see we use metal lids, which those lids are meant for canning, by the way, so they seal up airtight. Okay, now if you use the white lids, I've seen a lot of people use, which are these, by the way. Those I recommend not using, because with those you can't get air pressure built up with those white lids. See, now it blows bubbles because I use the metal lids, which are airtight. Forces that pressure through the hose and into the glass of water. So I recommend not using the white lids. If you're using plates, which is something else I recommend, don't use bolts with the plates. Drill 1 hole, run your wires through and glue it. And a hole for the T-connector. That way you only have 2 holes, 2 less problems to seal up. So as you see, it's coming out of the electrolyzer into the glass of water and producing bubbles. White lids won't do that unless you glue them up really, really good, but I tried that myself. Glued it up, used saran wrap, that didn't seal it. Used a hose inside the lid for a lining, that didn't do anything. So I then tried the metal lids and they are doing what they're supposed to.
He died 6 years ago. People was maybe violent.
Just gonna go ahead and unhook it now.
Why are you doing this?
Let's see when I unhook the alligator clamp here.
I'm just sitting there in my house.
The bubbles will stop. Oh wait, one more is about to come out.
Go downstairs. I caught him over there. He's looking around. But when he saw me, he ran out the back porch.
You caught water in town. There's no record. And this was a
Maybe not.
You sure about that?
Good little shake, there we go. And that's it.